Alrighty, so I am filming this intro about a week later, putting stuff away in the garage with the kayaks and everything, but I want to just say, going into this, I'm going to break it up into two videos as far as day one and day two. I don't suck at fishing, just made a very bad decision on the first day of the tournament. Should have went with my gut feeling, but I didn't. You live and you learn. So the day one is a little bit humiliating, we'll throw that out there, but yeah. Props and hats off to everyone that fishes out of kayaks all the time. It's definitely a challenge, I will say that. Not used to it, used to a boat, and especially not having an electric motor on those or pedal, something to move around. It's definitely challenging, but it's no excuse. We just made a poor decision, and I'm going to dive into the video, show you how day one went. Alright, first cast, game plan. I'm going to try and just stay where this current pushes into certain areas. Throw top water, drift craws down through it, but other than that, we're gonna just take our time going through this current and see if we can get anything. There's one. First one. That's a good fish. Stayed. I don't even think he's gonna keep. It came off, it came off, it came off, it came off. There we go. There we go. Come on. Alright, my GoPro just shut off, but I caught a 15. And, well, try to see if we can get another one. Nah, I think it's little. Yeah. Oh man, I don't know. I can't freaking pull a fish out of this. I don't know what else to do. There's gotta be one here. Has to be. Well guys, I'm just going to do the update on the GoPro instead of doing stuff later. Really not going good, can't figure it out. The stretch that we're floating, so we're limited because we just have paddle kayaks and we split up and we can float to the next launch, like wherever we put a truck at. This stretch isn't good. We just went out on a limb. It's about 1.5 feet deep right now and not even. You can see right to the bottom. It's kind of just shell bottom the whole time. I'm looking, I'm not even seeing any fish. I've seen one fish that I tried to actually sight fish, but it wouldn't hit. It just took off because it obviously saw me. So just gonna keep going, trying the shade line, thinking maybe they'd be pushed up in here because this water is warm, especially for being moving water. It's warm, but I don't know, can't figure anything out. This strip doesn't have any depth right now, which doesn't mean they're not here, but I just can't find them or get them to react to anything. So might push out to the middle again, see if I can get something to hit out there. So at this point in the day, we both, we were split up, but we both realized that it was a bad idea. Didn't work out. Something that we did not consider going into this, that really never actually even crossed my mind, was the first day was on a Saturday, and I didn't consider any jet boat traffic, which we never really saw a whole lot during practice. So if you watch my practice video, the day before that was where we left off, and I found 2 really good fish in this one strip of current that I really wanted to hit. That was about the only thing that I had forward to look to, that and where we first launched. But once I caught that second fish on my end, Cole decided to already go on a whole separate branch down the river, and I tried to stay put in the current where I was at. After catching that second fish, it actually kicked my anchor up, and being in just a paddle kayak only, and there was depth, I couldn't even paddle up into the current, so it forced me to leave that early to try and get down to the current that I wanted to fish, and to my stupidity, it was a main route for jet boats to go up and down, so that kind of screwed me. I tried fishing it for about 10-15 minutes, and it was just jet boat after jet boat, and it pretty much blew that out. So after that, went down. I was trying to just find anything that turned a little shallow that had current pushing into it. Happened to find something, but you'll see that all that happens is I catch dinks. Forced myself to throw top water and chatterbaits over grass, trying to just get a bigger bite, because I knew that I was already that far behind as far as how my day was going, and I had a lot of ground to make up, and it just never happened. He's not gonna keep either. What in the world? What's going on? Is that a fish? Ooh, that is. That's a good one too. There's a fish. Well guys, I want to show you. This is what we've been dealing with the whole time. It's no more than knee deep the last couple hours. So clear that you can just sit there and scan across the river, and I only saw 2 fish that I could actually cast at and try and get. But the current's still so fast in these paddle kayaks that we can't paddle upstream. We can't really do much. We're kind of limited. So yeah, this float was a bust. Should have went with our gut and just went with the first stretch that we did. But I mean, you can see it's turning into ankle deep, and you can just see everything all the way out across, and I'm not even seeing any fish. So that's how our day went. So yeah, didn't go very well. Should have just stuck with my gut feeling, went to where I wanted to go that we do on day 2, and I will just say and throw that out there that day 2 went a lot better. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.